Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video I am going to show you some from house style interior decorating ideas. Let's take a look. It's a cozy decorating style that combines the warm, rustic character of our farmhouse with the charming, relaxed feeling of a countryside cottage. From house style interior decorating tips. Display fresh or dried flowers. Place flowers in ceramic pitchers, glass bottles, enamel containers, or simple vintage vases. Add a vintage hearth. Use an old-style wooden hearth to display dishes, pottery, glassware, and treasured decorative pieces. Hang a large rustic mirror. A weathered wooden or antique style frame can make a cottage room feel brighter and more spacious. Display everyday dishes. Instead of hiding beautiful plates and cups, arrange them on open shelves or inside a glass front cabinet. Add a farmhouse bench. Place a wooden bench near the dining table, entryway, or bedroom for both seating and decoration. Use soft layered bedding. Combine cotton sheets, quilts, floral pillows, and knitted throws for a relaxed cottage bedroom. Decorate the entryway simply. Add a wooden console, oven basket, vintage hooks, and a small vase of flowers. Use curtains instead of heavy blinds. Lightweight linen or cotton curtains allow natural light to soften the room. Use wooden peg rails. Install them in kitchens, entryways, or bathrooms to hang baskets, towels, mugs, or decorative items. Mix patterns carefully. Combine floral, gingham, stripes, and checks, but keep them within a similar color palette for a harmonious look. Decorate with vintage books. Stick a few odd-looking books on tables, shelves, or cabinets to add personality and nostalgic charm. Keep the atmosphere relaxed. The most beautiful farmhouse cottage interiors feel lived in, welcoming, and comfortable rather than overly decorated. Use farmhouse style console. Place a simple wooden console behind the sofa or in the entryway and decorate it with pottery, books, and greenery. Add lace details. Lace curtains, table runners, or small doilies can introduce a delicate vintage cottage touch. Use a quilt as decoration. Fold a traditional quilt over a chair, ladder, or bench to add color, texture, and warmth. Create a rustic coffee station. Use a small wooden shelf or cabinet to organize mugs, jars, coffee supplies, and a few decorative pieces. Add a wooden ladder. Lean a decorative wooden ladder against a wall and hang blankets, quilts, or lightweight textiles from it. Use old-fashioned storage jars. Glass jars, ceramic containers, and metal tins can keep everyday items organized while contributing to the decor. Decorate with oven trays. Place a wooden tray on an ottoman, coffee table, or countertop and fill it with candles, flowers, or small accessories. Choose simple wooden flooring. Natural or lightly distressed wood flooring complements the farmhouse cottage aesthetic beautifully. Add a window seat. If space allows, create a small window seat with cushions and pillows for a cozy countryside retreat. Use vintage-inspired hardware. Replace ordinary cabinet knobs and drawer pulls with edged brass, bronze, ceramic, or iron-style hardware. Add a small farmhouse bench at the foot of the bed. A wooden or upholstered bench provides useful seating while making the bedroom feel more complete. Use candlelight for coziness. Place candles in simple glass jars, ceramic holders, or lanterns to create a warm evening atmosphere. Add a small indoor herb garden. Basil, mint, rosemary, or other herbs in simple ceramic pots can bring both greenery and farmhouse charm into the kitchen. Use baskets as hidden storage. Place baskets under benches, inside open shelving, or beside furniture to keep clutter organized without losing the rustic look. Let imperfections show. Small scratches, edged wood, uneven textures, and vintage finishes can make the home feel authentic and welcoming rather than too polished. Create a cozy breakfast nook. Place a small wooden table near a window with simple chairs and soft cushions for a charming countryside feel. Use bedboard wall panels. Add painted bedboard or simple wall paneling to bring traditional cottage character to bedrooms, kitchens, or hallways. Display wooden utensils. Keep wooden spoons, rolling pins, and serving tools in a ceramic crock or vintage container for a practical decorative display. Use floral wallpaper sparingly. A small floral or botanical pattern on one accent wall can create a romantic cottage atmosphere without overwhelming the room. Decorate with copper accents. Copper pots, trays, and small accessories add warmth and traditional farmhouse character. Use a farmhouse-style bench in the entryway. Pair a wooden bench with baskets underneath and hooks above it for attractive everyday storage. Create a layered mantle display. Combine a vintage mirror, framed artwork, candlesticks, pottery, and greenery for a casually collected look. Choose natural window treatments. Linen, cotton, muslin, or lightweight woven curtains help maintain the bright and relaxed cottage feeling. Add a rustic bedside table. A small wooden stool, windows cabinet, or simple farmhouse table can replace a conventional nightstand. Use dried flowers. Dried lavender, wheat, grasses, or wildflowers can add texture while maintaining a timeless countryside mood. Mix wood tones carefully. Combining light, medium, and slightly ordered wood can look beautiful as long as the overall color palette remains cohesive. Add an old-fashioned writing desk. A small vintage desk with a comfortable chair can create a charming workspace without sacrificing the vintage cottage aesthetic. Decorate with woven lampshades. Rattan, wicker, or natural fiber lampshades add texture and create a soft, inviting glow. Add a soft throw to every sitting area. Draping a knitted or cotton throw over a sofa or armchair makes the room look instantly warmer and more lived in. Keep countertops visually calm. Display only a few beautiful farmhouse pieces, such as a wooden bird, ceramic jar, plant, or picture, rather than filling every surface. Blend elegance with rustic charm. Pair weathered wood and vintage accessories with graceful fabrics, soft colors, and classic shapes to create a farmhouse cottage interior that feels both rustic and refined. Add a vintage kitchen island. A reclaimed wooden table or painted cabinet can work beautifully as a charming farmhouse kitchen island. Use fabric-covered dining chairs. Soft linen or floral-covered chairs can make the dining area feel more relaxed and cottage-like. Decorate with old trays. Vintage wooden or metal trays can be displayed on countertops, shelves, or coffee tables. Display seasonal branches. Place flowering branches, leafy stems, or dried grasses in a large ceramic pitcher for an easy seasonal centerpiece.